why we can't speak in English, or if we can speak, why we can't speak in front of some people or in front of a camera. Behind it have a great reason. We want to speak, we all want to speak, but for a reason we can't speak. The reason is we get fear, a lot of fear, that if I speak then I must make mistake. Then what will be? What if people laugh at me? What if they speak something about me? What if they speak I am making mistakes? A lot of fear. For this fear, our mind want to save us, because our mind don't want to give us any danger. This is his nature. It's all time want to save us. So for this, when we get this fear, then our mind don't give us to speak. If we also want to speak, if we start our speaking within this fear, then our mind don't keep this at his attention on this work, on this current work. He wanted to keep us saving, to take us from this dangerous work. So for this, when our attention don't have these tasks, then we forget many words, many sentences, many patterns. For this, we also makes more mistakes. So for this, when we make more mistakes, then we think that maybe that's not for me. I'm making a lot of mistakes. This for smart works, smart people. Then we think maybe I need to stop this practicing, stop speaking. Then we stop our practicing. That's the pattern. So for this, first of all, you have to be stop thinking. And also it's happened for overthinking. When you think a lot of things, that's happened. So try to overcome this overthinking. Overthinking don't just harmful for your some to start any work. It's also harmful your mind. It's destroy your mind. So try to best with your best to overcome this thinking, this fear. First of all, also you find fear, but you have to be overcome this fear. With this fear, you have to be speak. By speaking every single day, by speaking again and again, by making mistakes, you can overcome this fear. I hope you got it. And I require you, don't stop if you are making mistakes. Don't stop. Practice every single day and grow little by little. That's the nature. Fear and success don't possible overcome overnight. It's just possible every single day when you take your action. So have a good day.